Hi, hello viewers. Thank you for coming to Kenny2J Crafting It YouTube channel. Today I want to come up to design a Google form just to show you how to do that. And here I am on a Google template form page, and I'm gonna start with the template. I received a request from my friend who asked me to design a Google contact us form. He just sent me a WhatsApp image and giving me this the specification of the uh, contact form pattern that he want me to design. This one is the first page, and this one is the second page. So I will be using a Google form to design it for him. I would have used a plain contact, but let me try to use a template for now. I might like to use maybe a blank page for him. Actually, at the moment, I'm gonna pick up from contact form. This is a contact form already. I've tried to start with this one. So here I will be using a contact form, contact information, phone description. The name of the organization is, I'll bring it now. I'm gonna show it a bit here. It's two contact Liberian group of I come now, I check it. Let me just see how I can bring it up. PowerPoint, mass presentation, fundraising. This one, it has not come up yet, or no. So here, according to the first one, it says name, and it has first name, and second name here. Is it the right short answer? This is paragraph, have to be in a paragraph form. So the person will type the form here. Once you do anything here, try to view and see how it looks like. You see, it says here form, yeah. So that is it. And here you got to like make it a required field. It must be a required field. So this image here may be requesting of Google images, photos, and webcam. If you want to put browse from Google page here, from Google Drive, you see all the web files. So it could be that we are trying to design an image. So this one has to do with you can check like contact form, just like bringing in. Let me see if I can take upload from here. Once you see this kind of thing, it has to do with there are other files one can bring in here, but I think we have to come to that later. So at the moment, this is first name, and he said I should put a second name as well. So here we add section again. We can add another section like second name, second or last name. No, last name, not second name. The last name is going to be as a paragraph, just like that. Once you program it, it will become, it will type in that form. So here, don't forget, once you type in anything here, automatically the drive will save it. If you look at here, you will see what I mean. It has saved it already in drive. So here, it requires you to type your full name and you click here to make it compulsory that the person must type his second name. So, and as well, email address and email and phone number. Address is required, and phone number is required. Anything like tick box or date or time is a short answer paragraph. Yeah, and this is where you can duplicate this section if you want. Like this, you can duplicate it, but we don't need more telephone numbers field, so you have to delete it. So the next one is I am interested in supporting this organization. I'm gonna bring it up sooner now, and okay, this is it here. So here, and comment will be a paragraph, let's say short answer paragraph, the tick box, linear scale. You can make it yeah, short answer, short answer. Said I am interested. Let me bring up notes. So we type it with notepad. Said I am interested in supporting. Let me bring this I can bring right top. This is the right top here. So he said I'm interested in supporting Restoring Hope Foundation Liberia by then this voluntary counts. So what we do here, we copy this and come here and paste. So that is it. So here you can say drop down box. Let's see how it looks. Drop down box. So it's gonna be by number one. Shift it like this. Number one. Volunteer grade. Number two, sponsoring a project Number 3, donating equipment. Number 4, becoming a patron. Number 5, making a monetary donation. 6, other please specify in your message, bracket close, add message. Let me type the rest, which is will be, that one will be on a separate section. Let's say I have read, that is taking agreement now, according to the terms and condition. I have read the privacy policy that could be viewed on another page. So we are going to create page for that one, separate page for viewing privacy policy. It has to be linked. So view privacy policy. So we'll stop it here. Now, what we're gonna do is a tick down box. I think it's a tick down box. It's not all about, okay, multiple choices. Okay, we can put multiple choice. Yes, multiple choice. Oh, yeah, multiple choices. Okay, you can even choose to be a volunteer. You can even choose to be donating equipment at the same time. You can become making a monetary donation. Both, anything goes. So in that case, we are coming to select according to our right up here. We copy volunteer, we make this one voluntary, and we come here and say sponsoring a project. You see, and here we said donating equipment, and here we said becoming a patron. You paste again, making a monetary donation, copy, paste, and here number 6, you copy this one. Finally, so this is it here now. This is it, and it's all set and done. So the next one is to create a message in case if you have additional message. You can drop, but let's see how that one goes. We add a session here again. Do we have to add this session? This session will go to another page. Okay, let's see. Dropping a section. Is it good? It's already few things here. I think we don't need these more sections. This is a requirement need from. Let's delete this section first. We can duplicate this and convert it to a paragraph. It will change. Now, what we're gonna do? I beg your pardon. I have some nose struggling here, so it's a very big code here. So it's affected by losses. So thank you for pardoning me. So as we go on, this is read policy. I have read the policy. I think that one has a check button, but before then, once you click order here, but give you option here to type your additional message. I think here what we're gonna do, once somebody click an option here, the person have to, let me make this a compulsory. Multiple choice. Is it multiple choice or check button? Let me make it like this. Check button. So it's not more a radio button, it's like a square button. So here, when you say order, the person have to make a, let me see if you say make order, whether there is a paragraph. Okay. Multiple choice, Greek. Need to load. Let me see how this looks like. Tick box grid, multiple box. Okay. Color this, that, go Paris, required. It shows you this. Once you click any of this, it shows you the box. So this is 1, this is 2. But I'm looking for the option where somebody click order, please, this. But I think I'm gonna change that settings. This is not default. Collect email address by default. Question default. Make questions required by default. Presentation. Show progress bar. Soft. Confirm message. Thank you for submitting your contact information. No, it cannot be. The message will be thank you for contacting us. You change it here. Thank you for contacting Restore Hope Foundation. Thank you for contacting Restore Hope Foundation. It's not submitted. Thank you for contacting Hope Foundation, Liberia. Save. Then that will be confirmation message. And then show link to submit another response. Disable. View contact summary. Import details. Disable autosave for all correspondence. I take assign point value, set answers, and they automatically provide this. So in response, this is the form here. We go back there. So this form is collecting email addresses. Change the setting. Yeah, collecting email address is not bad. We're gonna leave it there. So we come here, we see we have to change this. You have to change it to, we are looking at session we can create now. Make it this to be additional message. Add additional message. We can use this as a paragraph. We can use this as paragraph for now. We can use this as paragraph. Okay, so here what we can say is that add additional message. Add additional message. Additional message. Additional message. To your interest above. An additional message so the person can type what he chooses to do. We can leave this as option. It's not necessary. It's not mandatory. So we duplicate another one here. Now we duplicate this. We duplicate this section. In this section is where we'll be adding this. This will be I have read this privacy. So what it's gonna be is this paragraph. View privacy policy. View privacy policy. I think this this is link here. We are coming to that soon. We can italize it so that it look different. And here now we have to. I have read. This will be a checkpoint. Yes, square check button. Square check button. So in that case, we have to make it check this box, check this box if you agreed on our privacy policy. Yes, it's compulsory. So on that note, the next one is bottle, confirm bottle. So let's view first. Okay, this is check button. This is all. But here we'll have to correct it. If you have additional if you have additional message or how you will sponsor no, or how you will support how you will support this organization, how you support the organization. Please write below. Please write here. Yeah, please write here. So that is it. You see, so it is now done and dusted. Contact information, add question, add import questions, add title, add description. Title and description. And the charity description, you can say this is charity organization. This is charity organization. So this should show how to change this. Okay, this image, I'm coming. All right. If you want to bring any video here now, Where will it be? Okay, let me see if I tap any image here. Web files. Custom theme. Yes, header. Alright, this is what I'm looking for. I want to change the theme now, the custom theme. Work school, upload picture, wedding, blah blah blah. None of this fits to the one I'm looking for. Illustration. Food. Party. Night. Sports and games. Travel. No. What are we gonna use here? Do we use we go back to theme here and see what we're gonna select. I don't think there is anything. 4th of July, no. We must select something unique. We keep searching until we see what we need to take here. So this one now, we can get rid of this one. We don't need it. So as we see, yes, it's here now. And we have to be creating privacy policy now. So here, as you can see, I need to find that letter. How to import ordinary files. Let me check from this web files. Release. Pum, 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 pum. Some other files need to be uploaded here, but we need to find out. We need to find out. We download and go back here and see what we can do. So robust test, these are the style of the test, the sizes, question, font, the font you have in each section based on their number. This one, image uploaded, and if you want to change the color, you can make it like red. All this file is telling me it's not available. What is wrong with this? It's not available. How? Maybe it could be for the browser. We do that later. Download files. We have to use this file and see how it looks like. We should have done something better to make this file look okay. From what I know now, I have to like maybe elongate it. Alright, let me do a quick magic here. I open my Photoshop, see how I can go and bring up the file and modelize it. And here we are. We go to download photo and bring out the file K2. So look at the file here, K2. So we have to enlarge the canvas, making it, first of all, we have to unlock this key so that when we enlarge it, it doesn't stretch out the image. We have to leave the image in a good proportion. So here, what we're coming to do is the width. We can make the width times 3. 9 times 3 is 9 times 3 is it 27? 9 times 3 is 27. We can make it 30 for now and see how it goes. So this is it. We will be bringing more images as well, you know, to make things happen here. Actually, this issue of rep and all that, yeah, children that are put out of the school, we have to bring them in. We download, PM. Alright, we go back to image relief again. We can pick one of these people and much reliefs are being given, so we can download as well. Download this one and which other one again? Yeah, the disabled people have a part here to benefit, and which other people again? Children of rural areas as well. We can bring them in here. Like I said before, pardon me for my nurseries because I'm not speaking the way I'm supposed to speak if I'm not audible. So we bring in this one and the other one. I've brought in file number 1, number 2. So here, are you watching me? So I can now drag this one. First of all, let me close some of the irrelevant files here. There are files that are not needed here, that are occupying space. So I drag this one, take it here, and drop it. Are you watching me? So I close it and pick another one, drag it here, and zoom out and close it as well. Bring it close. So that is it. And move this one. I hold this one, move it. You do not bother for my graphic design here because it's part of my work. You may not know it, but I think you will be okay. You don't need to worry. So most of these things are the things I do as well. So we need to close this gap here. Close this gap so that it don't cause much problem for us. We elongate this. We make it wider more. As we widen it, we join it together again. Don't worry if you don't understand what I'm doing. I might be teaching this in later, how to do some graphics work. So here you can see it here now. So what I'm gonna do, we are gonna use this as a banner on the contact page. So all I do now is to save as. You can go here, save as JPG file. Mission of Hope Orphans, yeah, correct. So now it is time to upload it to our page here. When we say upload, we say upload file. We go to my download, so bring it here in. Bring it here, but mind you, on that on this page I just made, the team I just made, it does not give us option to upload from the Google Drive. You can see there's no option here to upload from Google. That's only to upload from computer. Even though I have uploaded the file to Google Drive, does not mean I can upload it from there. But the reason why I uploaded it there is just because to save it, to be on the safe side in case if anything happens to the file in the system, I can still have a copy in the Google Drive and use it. So here I go to upload from the system. So this one I've uploaded it. It goes there as well. Let's watch the magic. Do you see what I did now? and it come up here. So we say done. It will change the header here automatically. Do you see it? It change the header automatically. Wonderful. So that is it. I think we have learned something today. A very wonderful thing. Very, very wonderful thing. The next thing that remains is this privacy page. But we're gonna go to Google Drive now and look for template. We go to is it Google My Document? No. It's yes, here. We look for terms and conditions of privacy and policy. Here we look for policy, trailer quote. This report. This is report for this. There is privacy letter here. Where did I see it the other day? Policy and report. This essay, sales quote, tele software development. This consulting agreement. This one is newsletter, brochure, onboarding, project proposal, meeting loads, meeting, all kind of things here. I saw privacy use here the other day. Where did I see that? It's here. Where did I see it? I saw it somewhere. Is it not here that I saw it the other day? Consulting agreement. No. There is a policy template I saw here the other day. Report, class load, this reporting. Hang on a minute. Let me check. Policy. Didn't find anything. No. Terms and condition. It didn't show. Why? Policy law. Where did I see it? Alright. We're gonna check another Google Doc here. I think I have seen it, but I can't remember where I saw it, and I've used it as well. I have used it, but I can't remember. I think I copied it somewhere some time ago. Let me see. I will pause. Wait. Should I pause and look for this thing? I can't find where it is. I can't find it. I have done this policy of a thing here the other day, and Google Form. Google Form. Google Docs. How am I sure I didn't say this in the other day here? Unbelievable. Is it possible not to see this here anymore? Anyway, viewers, let me just. Is it this one? Consulting agreement? No. I'm looking for policy. Viewers, you know what? Let me just pause and look for it somewhere in the system. I will be right back. Thank you. Here for your patient, I'm back now, and I've been able to look for the terms and condition, privacy and policy, and I got it here. So look at the privacy condition here. It's already here. So what we're gonna do now is to change a lot of things here. We have to change a lot of things here now, and what we're gonna change is field in bracket, placeholders for information, and again here it said please remove this instruction page before use. Now here the name of our company, effective date, company name, URL, blah 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 blah, fill all manner of things via our website located at company blah 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 blah. You understand me? So we're gonna change all that here now. For example, terms of use, we can change it. Privacy policy, we can change here. Privacy policy instructions dash instructions. So here now, delete this first page of instruction before using our template. Okay, this one is not even part of the. Remove this page of instruction. Alright, I'm gonna remove it. It's not part of the instruction, but it's gonna start from here. I'll remove it now. Thank you for your instruction. Good one. So terms of use, template with user, let's say terms of use, privacy policy, terms of use, privacy policy, terms of use dash privacy policy for websites with user generated content. Terms of policy, we'll remove this one. Remove this one. So terms of use, privacy policy for our website with user. We'll remove it like that. So here it says, we copy this, I'm going to paste it here, company name, to avoid I don't know if this, anyway, it's not going to appear. Let me paste it like that. With the use of date, effective as today is 23rd of November 2022. So it says here, welcome to the company's name. It's inserted here. Terms and agreement, company's URL. So we do have a company URL here before. I think I will get it now. I need to get it. I need to get it. Company URL. Let me get my phone out and check for it. I will have it here. Hang on a minute. Give me a few time to check, please. Yeah, I think I saw it here now. The company URL is site.google.com view / Swansea, Liberia. So look at the site here. So I'm going to copy the URL and put here where they say company URL. So we put it here. We put company URL there. Then or through our mobile application, which is not available now. Through our mobile application is not available, so I delete that one. Or do I say through our web form? Through our web, no, we don't need that for now. Too many. Let's see, we need to get it rid of. Service refer, description of service, in which user can donate, can make free will donation, Details we, us, and say we write. So here, the following terms and conditions. When you view or use the service, view our website located at via our website located at company's URL or by accessing this one here. What we're gonna choose to change here is via our website located at company website. Company website. On your mobile device. So here, the company respects the privacy policy file here. Insert link to privacy policy. We are yet building it. Okay, what I do is go in there and create a privacy policy at the same time so that it doesn't give us a headache. We click to enter Google Drive, and we choose to go to go back and open the form again. Oh no, this is different. Sorry about that. I was viewing the wrong page. So this is the page here as we open it. So here we're gonna open and click most of this privacy policy page. Do we create it here? Privacy policy page. Yeah, this is privacy policy. We can change it. So we can create a page. Creating a page, new link, new page, menu link, full privacy policy page, link. No, yes. Privacy policy. That is terms and condition. Invalid part. Terms and condition. Yeah, but we can make it not visible. Hide from navigation. We can hide it. Show on navigation. What's going on? We can delete this. It's like we didn't get it right. So what we need to do is maybe duplicate this one. Once we duplicate it, we can change it. Privacy policy. Done, eh? So it looks the same with this one, but we're gonna change it. Change the image, select it, put like let's use this for now. Maybe later we can change it. Privacy policy is here. So when we say let's view, see how it looks like, but we have to make the privacy policy, we change it. So yes, when we say publish, we publish it. When we say view publish site, so on this note, look at the link here. So we'll copy this link and we are coming to paste it where we are doing our editing. Insert privacy policy, insert link for privacy policy here. This page has been existing already, so we paste it here. Right, it will now save in our system. Another thing we have to do is go to the footnote and change it and link it. Link the same privacy policy, link it. Once we click there, the same privacy policy is not here actually, so we click the link, say apply. It's already there now, and we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it now. We will say publish. Yeah, as we publish it, look at the one we just published now. Did I not get it right? No, we get it right, of course. Never publish it or what? Just view and publish. Okay, you never review changes and publish. Review changes and publish. Yes, it's not published, so you need to view. You go to this thing, you will see. So the privacy policy now is now linked. So another thing we need to do is to hide it on the navigation. When we hide it, it's still valid. So we go to the navigation. We go to the navigation this and hide it, so that as we hide it, now it's no more on the navigation. So what we do again, we review changes and publish. You see, it's no more here, but when we go to preview now, it's there. It's the privacy policy is no more on the navigation. So here, the privacy policy is here. You see what I mean? Very easy. So one more thing we are going to do is to remove this PayPal donation here to put our privacy policy content. So see how it goes now. We come over here and write we have to bring in privacy policy image, privacy policy, the image, how it look, privacy policy, sample privacy policy template, privacy policy. Which one are we gonna use? privacy policy. Privacy policy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do dance feed. Privacy policy, privacy policy, privacy policies. Privacy policy. I like the one with the key. Very simple. Let me use this one. For some legal right and all that, it's very important that we don't use other people's image. But I'm going to show you one trick now concerning this. This one, you can save it as image here. Privacy policy, Restoration Hope Foundation, Liberia. Save it like that. Come to Photoshop. Meanwhile, we have to save this one first. Restoration Hope Foundation, Liberia. Let's save it. So when we bring in, let's close this one. Oh, I didn't bring this one. This one is much important. I should have inserted because it's more important than that man I put there before. Let me see if I can use this one. This one is more important. I forgot. It's all about children. It's not. So when we can hold Shift Alt key to make it. These are disabled, less privileged. We shouldn't joke with them. If there is anything we're gonna look into here, pay attention, is the less privileged. Most important. May God bless you all. So I'm gonna save it now, overwrite it with the former one. Yeah, so this is JPG 5. Less privilege, no, orphan 1, orphan 2. Yeah, I save that one. So it's more important I go to the form now and change it. I will change it from the form. I change it from the form, less privileged, orphans, PAM. That's it. It will change now. Very important. Very, very important. Yes. It has shown reload. You can see what I mean here. The less privilege has uploaded. So we are away now. Alright, let's change that privacy. Hello children, God bless you all. Let's change that privacy policy. Yes. So here we're going to do some magic now. First of all, I show some of you so that people who are using their document don't sue you. And I say here I press Ctrl J to duplicate. You can see it here. So what we do, have to manipulate a lot of things here now so that it doesn't look like as if we are pirating anybody. Meanwhile, we go to G Drive and import the logo. The logo is important. This logo here, you have to download it and go back to Photoshop and open the logo. This thing is very easy, so you drag it and bring it in here and drop it and transform it, zoom out and reduce it. The thing you're gonna do here will be magic thing. So you bring this in here, it's no longer their property because you have changed it. This is the only way we can prove them wrong, that the property does not belong to them, that we own it. They can say it's their property. And another thing here is if we wish, we can even change the color by Control U, change it, yeah, make it like this. They will never open their mouth and say it belongs to them because we have done a lot of changes. So that's how it's gonna be for now. So I'm gonna save it right now. Nobody will come and sue you because you are using their stuff, because it's no longer the nature of their design. So we do this here, privacy policy 2, privacy policy 2, privacy policy 2. Yes, minimize. So when we come here, privacy policy 2, we have to upload that file to the website. Alright, let's upload it. Privacy policy 2, we upload it, it's there now. So we go here and change, replace image, select, goes to file, is here, bam, that is it. We cut it, then we delete it if you give us trouble. Then we come to insert and insert this one. We are inserting both the image module and text module as well. So we upload photo from here. Let's see how it goes. You see what I mean? So here now, delete this one, we don't need this. Delete this one. Here we go to the document and write terms and condition policy as it is. You press Shift Control V to maintain plain text. You show the same color, yeah, that is it. So here now, text will start coming one after the other. Press Ctrl V to press to maintain the same plain text. So underneath, we have to be pasting test here. Text box, yeah, text box here goes underneath. So we copy this, palm, yeah, and Shift Control V, paste. We have to continue pasting and pasting and pasting until we get there. Privacy policy. Some of these lines that says both if you, so we can say this one was both, so we can make it both and keep it like that, maintain the same format. We don't Shift Control V to maintain the same plain text. It shows you can as well press Control B for bold character. So I try to make sure you close these spaces so that it doesn't look so buggy, look more professional. Are we not getting there? We are getting there. So here, this one as well will be bold. Control B, you enter, remove it from bold, then you copy. Most of this is it's a long a description of what the user can do. The service allows you to donate, allow you to make contribution to the community welfare, community welfare. You need to be at least 13 years, 18 years. You need to be at least 13 years old. Yes, you need to be 13 years old. By registration. No. Yeah. Once you press and it will automatically save. So here is other articles that you use. We're gonna use. Don't know if I can use a bullet here. Okay, yeah, it goes. This one Leteco. This one no. I want it to be Leto font. Little font I prefer. Yes. Alright. We will go out for break now. When we come back, we will paste the rest of this and make other changes. Okay? Make sure you subscribe and share to your friends and family, colleagues in the office. Thank you very much for now.